Well, maybe Zach has some floor samples down. Do we want to go take a look in that back bedroom? Let's take a look at these floors.
All right.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah, they clean up nice when they're sanded, right? So I brought the stains we discussed in the text message. We got some lighter ones, some darker ones. We'll just put them out. It looks like you have red oak, but the nice thing is it's really thick, which means you can sand it and make it look like brand new, even if you have dents in it. So it's a really good floor to have in your house because if you guys stay here a long time and you don't like the color, guess what? Sand it again. So let's see if there's any color in particular you guys gravitate toward. This is Nutmeg.
What I really like about that Nutmeg is it's a nice light color, so you still kind of get the lighter wood floors.
All right, this is a crowd favorite for us, Special Walnut.
And similar to the Nutmeg, it's a little bit cooler.
Golden Pecan going down next.
All right, so with Golden Pecan over here, what you're gonna notice with all the stain colors that have like a gold or a red in the name is that you're gonna see a lot more amber undertones, a little bit more orange, and they're gonna feel like colors that are more nostalgic to maybe the 90s, and that's not usually a color people gravitate towards these days. Again, it's all personal preference. Okay, so with the early American, you're gonna see a little bit more, looks like some yellow, maybe even a little bit of a green undertone in there. It's not quite as warm as that Golden Pecan.
All right, moving on to natural.
Okay, so with the natural over here, what you're gonna see because of the grade of these floors is you're gonna notice there's not a lot of tint to that stain, and you're gonna really notice all of the different variation in the boards. This is all gonna show more in a natural or a lighter stain. So that kind of gets hidden in some of the darker stain colors.
You know, honestly, I don't hate any of them.
Yeah, what's sticking out to you? Is there one, do you have a top two?
What are we eliminating?
I guess the natural.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gravitating towards early American and Nutmeg.
Yeah.
I like the Golden Pecan and Nutmeg.
Sounds like Nutmeg then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nutmeg is the common.
Let me call my flooring guy and we can keep things moving, but you guys take it from here.
Okay, sounds
Thank
good.
you so much,
Sounds
Zach.
good. Thank you.
So right now we're feeling super excited about everything starting, but we only have 3 weeks. It's a hard deadline.
I'm moving in no matter what.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.